yes, today we are going to do Pantera's Sudoku, and after that we are going to do some Sudoku Maker. Yeah. So, but first of all, I need to do my marketing. So I will tell everybody I'm live. And there. And there. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let me see if I can. I need my. No. I need to find my chat. How can I find my chat? Oh yeah, over here. And then chat in a new. Yeah, all right. Okay, I am all set up. Okay. Okay. Right. First thing first is I want to thank all the donors. Then we are going to do this one, and after that we are going to set a Sudoku, and we are setting specifically, we delete this one and we put in the anti-night. Yes, okay. All right. Hey, welcome, Wario Long GP. So my question is, am I live? Can you hear me? Okay. So first this one. Okay. So it's a normal. No. Okay. Thanks for noticing me, Wario Long GP. So I am live. That's good to hear. So first we are doing Lady Slipper by Pantera, and it's a normal Sudoku. So yeah, just normal Sudoku with rows, with columns, and with 3x3 boxes. Then we have normal knapp daneben Japanese sums rule supply. Okay, that's difficult. So yeah. Yeah, this. So basically, this is all summing up to. Yeah, well, not particularly. Okay, let's do it differently. So basically, you have to color the whole grid, and there's no unshaded cells. And if, for example, this 4, this says there must be a 4 somewhere, and it could be either 1 3 or a single 4, but the point is it's not a 4, it's either a 3 or a 5, because that's knapp daneben. Knapp daneben means either +1 or -1. So each clue, so this 19 clue is either 18 or 20. And if it's, for example, 20 purples, then I need to color 20 purples, but I can color 20 purples, for example, with 3 cells, but I can also do it in 5 cells. So yeah, and we have to color the whole grid and we have to fill in all the Sudokus. So let's try it. So what we do know, we can start with the coloring, because we do know all shaded runs are given and there's no unshaded cells. So we know this one is blue. These ones are purple. These ones are all blue. This one is blue and this one is green. These are all blue. These ones are green and this one is purple. Because of these clues. And because of these clues, we know these are all blue, these are green, this one is yellow, and these are green. And because of these clues, we know this one is blue, this one is blue, this one is purple, these ones are blue, this one as well, this one is green, and this one is blue. Okay. That's at least something. This blue, this is a 0 clue, but it must be -1 or +1. And it can't be -1, so it must be 1. So this just must be 1. And then this one must be green. Yeah, I think we have to do it like this. So this 2 is either 1 or 3. But it can't be 1 because it's in 2 cells, so it's 3. Is it traumatic, Asaya? Sorry about that. Yeah. This one is either 4 or 6. So we can just put in 4 or 6. Hi there, Asaya. Sorry about that. I didn't do this puzzle, so don't blame me. This one is 18 or 16, but it can't be 18 because it's 2 cells. So it must be 16, and so that must be a 7, 9. This 2 is either a 1 or a 3, and if it's a 3, then it can be 2 cells, but it can't be because this 1, 2 sees into this one, so this must be a 3. And that means this is a purple. Okay. This 19, we know 19 is, it's either 18 or 20, and with both it's at least 3 cells long. This 12 is either 11 or 13, but it can't be 13 because we can't put 10 in here, so it's 11, so this must be an 8. I'm doing okay so far, yes. On the bright side, I could probably solve this in about 10 minutes easily. Yeah, well, you can help me. This is either 2 or 4. Yes, this 28 must be either 27 or 29, so at least it's 4 cells long. Oh, and this 6, by the way, must be either 5 or 7, and this is a 7, 9, so this is a 7, that's a 9. And that means this one is green. This 0 must be a 1. and this 8 must be 9 or 7. So this must be an 8 or a 6. And it can't be 8, so it's a 6. This one is green. And it's either 0 or 2, so it must be 2 because we can't put zeros in it. The 29 is at least 4 long. And there must be a yellow which is at least 2 long. So, and this is 1 or 3. It can't be 1, so it's 3. This is a 1 or a 3. But it could also be a 2 and this then be a 1. So that's that. This is a 5 or a 7. This is a 0 or a 2, so it's a 2. So that means this is a 3. And that means this one must be purple. Purple must be at least 2 long. And this is a 4 and this is a 6. And this together is 17 or 19. This is 8. So to get to 17 we must use a 9. This is 5 or 7. This is 3 or 5, but it is a 5. And this is a 1. What is this? This is 6 or 8, so this is 4 or 6, but it can't be 6, so it's a 4. And then this 3 is now done as well, so this is blue. And this blue is 5 or 7, and this is 3 or 5. So this is a 5 and this is a 3. And this is a something, an 8 apparently. Yeah, row 8, column 2 is a 4. Yes, I know. Thanks. This is blue because it must be either 2 or 4 or 1, 3. Yes. Then we have this blue, oh no, blue, this yellow must be at least 4 long. This must be a 2, so this must be a purple, and this purple must be 7 or 9. There must be a purple in between the yellow and the green, and this is an 8 because it can't be a 10. And this must be a 2 or a 4, but it can only be a 4. This 18 could be 17, then it could be 8, 9, but it can't be because the 8 is already gone, so this is a yellow. What else do we have? This yellow must extend because the minimum is 18, which is in 3 cells. And this 16 must also extend. This 17 must extend. The blue here must extend. And this blue must extend as well. Then we have, yes, so there must be a yellow in here somewhere and in here somewhere. Well, this green must extend at least by 2. then we need a blue and a yellow, and this yellow is then 1 or 3, and this blue is a 1, so this is a 3. Yeah, and this yellow must extend as well, at least with 2. This is now not a 3 anymore. This purple, 1, 2, 3, 4. And not 1, 2 or 3, so it's a 4. So that purple is done, so that means this is a yellow. And this yellow must be 1 string. And also this yellow must be 1 string. And this is a 6 or 8. So it must be an 8. And this is a 2 or 4, so it's a 4. And then the last digit in here is a 7, so this is a 9. And that means, well, there could be 2 more here in purple, so we don't know for sure about that yet. Let's see. Well, this 9, where does the 9 go? In one of those, but this can't be a 9 because the 6, yeah, because of this 6 glue. So this must be a 9. Row 4, and is at least 3 cells now. Yes, that is true. Thank you for that, Asaya. This is now 12, 21. So 21 must go to 7 or 9, so that's a 7. And also by Sudoku it's a 7. So just going for Sudoku, this is a 5, 6. And these are from 5, 6 and 8. These are from 1, 2 and 3. This is not 1. 4 in box 3 is over there indeed, thank you. 8 in box 3 is over there. 3 is over there. And what else do we have? A 5, 7. So this is a 6 and this is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is 2 and this is 3. Yes, this 4 is now a 5 and this is a 7. So this is a 5 and this is a 7 and this is not a 7. This is 11. 11 plus 8. And this is 9. So that's a 2, 6. So this is a 6 and this is a 2. This is not 8. Let's see. these are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. This is not 1 and this is not 7. These are from 7, 9, 4 and 6. Row 4, column 7, 8 should be doable. Let's see. Well, but this can extend, right? Yes, it can extend, so. But this yellow 22 must at least go here. But it could have that cell or that cell. Oh, the column clues. Yeah, okay. This is 8 plus 7 is 15. So yeah, this is a 1. This is 12. So we need a 3. Okay. This is now only 8 and we need to get to 18. So this must be a 9 in green. This is now 17, so that's the maximum. So this must be blue. And let's see what we have here. We have 7, 9, 2 and 5. This must be adding up to 9 or 7. So with the 2 you can't come to either of those, so this must be a 5 with a 4. Okay. If we make this a 7, then this is going too large, so this is a 2. And now we have only 3, so we need the 7, because otherwise it's too little. And well, this is 2 or 4, but then it must be 4. So that's, oh, not 1, 3, 1, 4, no, yeah, 1 and 3. So that's a 2, that's a 3, that's a 1, that's a 6, and those are not 6. And let's see, this is 6, so this must be blue. And then this must be green. This is like this. I think I'm almost there. This puzzle is not too hard, luckily. 5, 8 and 9. It is daunting at first sight, but it's actually not that difficult. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This must be together 12 then. Okay, this is 9, so this one is already done, so this must be yellow. And this must be yellow as well to come to this 6 clue. And now it's just Sudoku. This is a 4. The 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, alright. Okay, the lady slipper is a Cypripedium caucaeolus. Is a rare orchid. Produces pouch-shaped yellow and reddish flowers that grow on slender stalks and have a dreamy vanilla scent. Native to Europe and parts of Asia, these petite blooms are critically endangered. Oh dear. Their decline is due to habitat destruction, the replacement of natural forests with domestic plantations, climate change, and illegal collection for the horticultural trade. Oh dear. So the Cypripedium. Ooh, nice. The lady slipper orchid. Never heard of it. It's a nice flower and unfortunately it's endangered apparently. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Pantera. I always like your puzzles, you know that. Alright, so the next thing, what we will do. So Isaiah, do you have some input? I want to have an anti-night Sudoku and I want to, yeah. First of all, I want to have it as a fun puzzle, but maybe also some tricks in it. So the difficulty estimate is like easy to 2 stars or something. Yeah. What do you mean with ICK? So, what do we want? I'm trying to set a killer Sudoku that I'm too afraid to continue because I have an amazing breaking. Ik means ik. Well, I don't know what ik means. ICK. Yucky. Oh, you don't like it. So you have an amazing break-in for a killer Sudoku. Would you like to work on it together right here, right now? If yes, then I'm okay to say, okay, we don't do anti-night, we are doing killer. That's fine by me. I'm flexible. Okay, then if you can tell me your break-in, or you can send me via a DM in Discord. Then we can work on it. Okay, I have here let's see. 18, 6, 22, 10, 11, 13, 16, 12, 18, 14, and 8. So, okay, let me first check myself what the let me see. Okay, what do we have here? So this is very low in total. That's like 24, 30. No, 40, I mean, not 30, 40. Okay, this is 40. This is a minimum of 28. 28 plus 6. Okay, this is not a break-in. Ah, you sent the fixed version. What do you mean with normalish? A Sudoku rules apply? Oh, from 0 to 9. Hmm. Oh, this puzzle is impossible, by the way. um, yeah, I don't think I want to continue on this one, but can you tell me what the trick is here? Because what I want for my books is just the vanilla constraints, and this what is it, this digit zeros to 9, that's not my cup of tea. So I will not continue with that, but I'm curious about your break-in. So the start is looking at column 1 versus box 1. To get that row 1 column 2 is 8 larger than row 9 column 1. Yeah, so that means that this is 8 or 9 and this is 0 or 1. So 18 plus 6 is 24 and the other is 32. Yeah. And same can be done here probably. So this is 22 and this is 30. So this is also 0. Like this, right? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then you minimize the row 8. Ah, okay. So now, since the 0 and the 1 are gone, this now is 24, 40, and this is minimum to, wait a sec, this is minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. That's the minimum, because the 8 and 9 must be there because of this. And this must be then 0, 1 and 2. This is the absolute minimum, right? So this is 5, 9, 14, 20, 28, 37 plus 3. Yeah. So this is and this is indeed, so there's no 7 in this puzzle. 2, 3. Hello, Lindo Cooler. Yeah, well, welcome to the channel, by the way. This is what somebody sent to me. This puzzle is not finished, but we are trying to do that. And basically, it's normal Sudokus, normal-ish Sudokus, Sudoku rules. But the pick 9 digits from 0 to 9. So not every digit is used. And these are just normal kilocages. Alright. And this is my whole breaking, and I'm too afraid to continue. Hey, and Asaya, are you okay that we can elevate this puzzle without the pick 9 digits from 0 to 9? Because if we can do the maths and just make it so that you don't have to use that rule. Are you okay with it, Asaya? Because I see definitely a potential in this break-in. But if you don't want to, then I'm okay with that. But if you think that's okay, then we can do the maths and we can do it without that rule. I definitely like the break-in. Ah, that's a very cool idea. But then, that's a very cool idea, Asaya. And I would like to help you. Um, and maybe, yeah, maybe we can do something with this. So you are planning like, okay, this is a 9 by 9 and the next puzzle is an 8 by 8. Am I correct? But the point is, this is of course public. So if you want to do a puzzle pack and you want to release it somehow, then it's not especially handy to make it public in this stream, right? Or yeah, I understand your idea. So 7 is in none of them. So each time a digit is murdered. So in this one, the 7 is murdered. I like your idea. I really like it. But then you shouldn't make this public in this stream then. Because this will be on YouTube and it will be there forever. Yeah, okay, you're not planning, for example, to let's say it's fine, okay. Let it be on YouTube, okay. Then yeah, let's I like the idea, and maybe if we finish this one, then we can also see if we can make an 8 by 8. Okay, but yeah, so there's already, this is already, this is not a 3 or 6, but The Sudoku solver doesn't understand those kind of things. We know there's no 7 in it. We know that. Well, you can do all the administration work, but I'm just now trying to solve this. We know this is not a 5-7 basically, so it's either 3-9 or it's 4-8. The same with this one. This is also 3-4 or 8-9. We know now this is not yeah, that's the whole storytelling is up to you. This is now just this puzzle. You can do the storytelling. It's all your game. I'm now trying to solve it. So because it says it's a 5-6-9, because 20 could be 8-7-5, right? But it can't have a 7, so there must be a 9 on it, and that means this is a 4-8. So these are not 4-8, and this has 11 left, but it can't have 2-9. It can't have 3-8 because of this 8. It can't have 4-7 because of this 4. So it must be 5-6-9. Yeah, okay, clear. 5-6-9. And then this is from 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. Is that correct? 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. And then this could be still a lot of things. But it must have, so 6 could be 0, 6, 1, 5 or 2, 4. So we have a virtual 0, 1, 2, 3 quadruple. So 0, 1, 2, 3 can't be on the 18 gauge. And this can maximum be a 6. And this then is, yeah, it can still have a lot of things on it. But at least no 0, 1, 2, 3. So the minimum here is 4, 5, 6, which is 18. And one of the 4, 5, 6 must be here. So the minimum is 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8 is already 4, 5, 8 is already 9, is 17. So we have 1 degree of freedom. So this could be either 4, 5, 9 or it could be 4, 6, 8. But there must be a 4 on here. And that means this is either uh, 0, 1, 5, 6. Oh, 0, 1, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. So this is 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. That's that side done. This could be 9, 2 with a 0. So we can't exclude the 9. This 18. So yeah, there's, okay. This is 30. I'm wondering why this 7 is a 3-4. I'm wondering why. So why can't this be 0, 1, 6, 7? Well, this can't be 0. This can't be a 0. That's clear. It can't be 0, 7. What is the maximum here? That is 9, 6, 5, which is 20. So we have 2 degrees of freedom. So we know we have an 8, 9 here and an 8, 9 here, because we can't get rid of the 9. Yeah, well, the maximum without the 8 and 9 is 4, 5, 6, which is too low. So there must be either an 8 or 9 in here. So that means this has an 8 or 9. And the 8 or 9, so we have 7 or 6 left here. Okay. So what kind of clue, Asaya, are you thinking on bring it onto the next level? Wait, do you know how to get to 3, 4 here? So the computer knows it's 3, 4. Oh no, no, it does not. Apparently you put in the 3, 4 in here. How do we know this is a 3, 4 pair? Well, I understand you thinking about killer cages because there's a killer on the loose, but you could also think about little killers. And also arrows, because you can shoot arrows, or I'm just being creative. You put in the 3, 4 in here because the computer didn't know that. How did you come to the conclusion that it can't be 16 of the 6 gauge in a row? Oh, it can't be 1, 6. Oh yeah, yeah. It can't be 1, 6 because then this is 0, 5 and that's not counting to... So that leaves 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. And it can't be 2, 5 because of where they would go in column 9. Ooh, that is interesting. So if it's 2, 5, they would go here. And that's not possible. Wow. So this is a 3, 4. Wow, that's really amazing. And that means this 3, 4, one of the 3, 4 is going in here. Together with a 6. So there must be a 6 in here. Because this 3, 4, 8, 9 and this must have the 3, 4, 8, 9. And together that's 24. And 12 of them are here, so 12 of them was there, so together with the 6. So that 6 must be here. Ooh, and you didn't have that yet. So that 6 must be together with a 0 or a 1. And with an 8 or a 9. So this is 0, 1, 6, 8, 9. So it's 0, 1. Yeah, okay, so it's 0, 9 or it's 1, 8. So this is from 0, 1 to 5. This is not a 3. 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. So this is almost a quadruple. 8 and 9 are not in here, definitely. They are in here, so this is an 8, 6. No, 8, 9. So the 6 can't be here, what you stated. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. Okay. So this is like this. Okay. This can't be 3 or 6, and this can't be 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. I'm curious why you got rid of some of them. Ooh. Wow. Okay. I'm curious why why did you get rid of a 1 here? So why can't this be 1? Ooh, that's very simple. This can't be 1 because this can't be 10 together. That's strange. That's really strange. Okay. Now this can't be 2 according to you. Why is that the case? If this is a 2, then this must be 11. It can't be 2, 9. It can't be 4, 7. But why can't it be 3, 8 or 5, 6? I don't know. And this one, you got rid of 0. Well, that's an easy one indeed. Row 8, column 7, not 0. Indeed. I don't know why this can't be a 2, by the way. So I'm now doing it like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Wow. Okay. Why is this a 1? Placing a 0 forces row 8, column 3 to be a 2. And row 9, column 9 a 1. And row 8, column 7. Oh, wow. Wow. So if this is a 0, that means this is a 2. That means this is a 1 and this is a 1. Okay. So this can't be a 0, so we know this is a 1, this is a 0. And that means we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. These are not 0. This is a 2, so this is a 0. These are not 0. This is not 2. This is not 1. This is now, let me see, 0. So we need a 6. So this is now 8. So this is 9. Okay. This cleans up a lot. This is 6, 8, 9. This is now, yeah, something. Okay. So yeah, that is that. That's what we just did. Okay, we are standing here. Yeah, this is cool. This what asking why this can't be a 0 led to many things. um, so this is now. Can we groom this up somehow? If this is a 0, then it's a 2, 9 or 5, 6. Yeah, and if this is a 2, then it's a 3, 6. So can this be a 2? No, this can't be a 2. Okay, that's a small deduction. I don't think this can't be a 2. Yeah, this can't be a 2. I don't think it can be a 3 as well. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yeah, this can't be a 3. This can't be a 4. Can it be a 5? So 5 plus 2 is 7. Yeah, 5, 2, 9. That's possible. Okay. Can this be an 8? Yeah, 8, 2, 6. That is possible. But we have a virtual 8, 9 pair here as well. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Let me see. So what does it say more? Okay. It says we can't place a 2 there. We can't place a 6 there. We can't place a 6 here. Because of reasons. To place 9 different values in row 9. Removed 6 from row 9, column 4. Wait, what? I don't get it. Unable to place 9 different values in row 9. Remove 6 from row 9, column 4. So if this is a 6, wait, there's something else. There is a 4 up here. So if we have a 6 here, six plus 4 is 10. Then you need 3 more. That's either 3, 0. 6 plus 4 or 1, 2. getting... I'm not getting it yet. Why can't we put a 6 up here? If we put a 6 up here, then we have a 4. With a 2 or a 3. And then this is a 0 or a 1. And this 6 makes this a 5, 9. And this a 5, 8, 9. Wait, we can ask a different question. So there is a 4 up here. Can we put a 9 up here? No. So there's no 9 up here. Can we put an 8 up here? Then we have 12. Oh, we still can. Oh, we can have something like this. No, 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 no. That's already too big. So 8 is also not possible. So there is no 8 here. And that means this is an 8. That's much easier than what the computer is saying. Okay. So this 8, we need another 8. So this can't be 9. So actually this is 6 and this is 2. So this is 0 and this is 1. These can't have 6. The 9 must be there and this must be a 2. This is now just a 3, 4, 5. Alright, okay. I think my way is a lot cleaner than what they were proposing, the computer was proposing. Okay. Yeah, okay. This is a 1, 4, 5. This is a 3, 6, 5. Okay. Okay, now we are in the fields of we need an extra clue. This is 2, 6, 8, 9, 0. Okay. Asaya, are you still there? I'm looking now for example, if you make if you can make this 14, for example. So normally a 14 gauge is not that interesting. But now the maximum is 5. Well, if this is not a 9, it is a 6. So what if this is an 11? We can make this an 11 gauge. That would be awesome. If this is an 11 gauge. Oh, no, it is not awesome. Okay. Oh no, the 6 is already gone. Wow, and the 8 as well. So if we make this a 9, there's only one way. Yes! Cool. Okay. I propose, Asaya, to make this a 9 gauge. So this is a 9 gauge. Because apparently there's only one way to do that. That's cool. I like it. Because this can't be 1/8. So this must be from 4/5. And then this 4 in here makes this a 5 and this a 4. And normally a 9 gauge is not saying anything at all. So, and this way you are building up with the things you already have. So you are giving a reward for finding all this nonsense. Are you okay with this clue, Asaya? With this 9 clue here? We still have a lot of solutions left. Also, what is this about? So it's not 0, it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4, it can't be 5, 6, it can be 8. Also here, if we make an 11 gauge out of this one, there's only one way. Yes. This is now from 1, 2, and this is now from 0, 3, 4. This is now from 0, 9, and 1. This is from 0, 9 to and something. 3. That doesn't leave too much to work with though. Yeah, this definitely keeps the break in because an 11 gauge and a 9 gauge is pretty in the middle. So you will never look at the 11 and the 9 gauge here. So what is your proposal to continue, Asaya? I'm just wondering if you do this. You want to keep it clean, okay. But you want to have a finished grid, right? You can have some stuff like this if you do. So what is the maximum here? It's 6, 9. 6, 9 and 2. So that's 17. Oh, not that one. This one. Oh, this puzzle is impossible. Too bad. Oh yeah, of course, because of this 6, 8, 9. Ooh, that makes it even more interesting. Then the maximum here is 5, 9 and 2. So that's 5 and 9 is 14 plus 2 is 16. So not 17 but 16. still impossible. Wait, I just want to see, like, if we put in can we put in just a 2? What is happening then? And then a 5. What is happening then? And a 9? Hey, what? This is 16, right? Or no, this no. This is 15. Okay. 15. Wow. Wow. Wait, what? 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 2. What? Wait. I don't get it. If I put a 2 in here, if I put a 2 in here, and I put a 5 in here, and I put a 9 in there, this is 14. No, this is 16. What is wrong with this? Is 16. What was it saying? The puzzle is impossible. 16. Okay, strange. Oh, because I had something here. Never mind. Okay, what I don't like about this is that I can't do this anymore. I don't know if you like this, but I can imagine you liked the symmetry, and that is now gone. Mm, okay. What about a 29 sum gauge with row 2, column 5, row 3, column 5 and row 4, column 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 digits, 7, wait a sec. So what can be and can't be in the 29 gauge? Because we have 7 digits, so 2 digits must be out. Are those digits so that's 6. Oh wait, it's not 45 anymore, of course. It's 38. It's not, the secret is not 45. The secret now is 38. 38. So we have to miss out 9 in 2 digits. So that could be 09. But one thing we do know is that the 2 must be in there. But this doesn't do that much, right? Um, so help me out, Asaya. It's your puzzle, not mine. Ooh. Wow. Okay. This is rather unexpected. I have a puzzle for you. Well, this is a gimme from the start. Oh. Um, can we say anything about that 32 cage? Don't think so. I don't think so. So let's do the puzzle again. So this 22 and this 30. So we know this is a 0, 1 and this is an 8, 9. And now we can say this is a like this, and this is from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. We know there's no 7, so these are from 3, 9 and 4, 8. We know this needs an 8, 9 on it, but it can't be 8 because then it's 8, 7, 5 and we can't use a 7. So this is actually with a 9. So we need 11 more and that can't be 2, 9. It can't be 3, 8 because of this 8. It can't be 4, 7 because of this 4. So it's 5, 6. So this is from 0, 1, 2, 3. So we know this is a 3. These are from 4, 5, 6. There can't be a 9 on here. Oh, there can be a 9 on here. Never mind. Can there be a 9 on here? 9 plus 5 is already 14. So no, there can't be a 9 on here. This 18 gauge, it can't have not an 8 and a 9 on it, because then the maximum is 654 is 15. So there must be an 8 or 9 on it. But then it's pretty, how did we get there? There's an 8, 9 up here. And there's also an 8, 9 up here. But this 8, 9, so the 8, 9 is with a 4, a 5 or 6. So yeah. The minimum is 8 and 4. And the maximum is 9 plus 6. So there must be something from 0, 1, 2 or 3 on it. Okay, what was it here again? There must be a 2 on here, so this is either 0, 1 or it's... No, yeah, 0, 1 with a 5, 6. So 0, 6 or it's 1, 5. So this can't be 1 and 6. It can't be 0, 7. And it can't be 2, 5, because if this is 2, 5, then both of the 2 and the 5 must go in here, and that's not possible. So this therefore is a 3, 4. And both the 3 and the 4 must go in here together with an 8, 9. So we have 12 plus 12 is 24, and we need 6 more. So there must be a 6 in here. So this must be a 5 and this must be a 6. And yeah, then there must be a 2 up here. With a zero, 1. This must be either 0 plus 9 or 1 plus 8. And this is 8 or 9 plus a 5 or a 6. So this is 5, 6, 8, 9. Alright, 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 alright. So this is not 6 and this is not 4, whatever. Okay. And then we found out that now we deduced this. How did we deduce this? This can't be a 0 because there can't be a 7, 9 in here. So this is 1 or 2. And this oh wait, these can't be 4, 8. And strangely enough, this can't be a 1, because if this is a 1, yeah, then this can't add up to 10. So, and now if we make this a 0, then this is a 2, this is a 1, and this is a 1. So this can't be a 0, so this is a 1, this is a 0. These are like this. So this is like this. One, 5, so this is 2, this is 1, this is 0, this is 2. Six, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. Now the question here is, can this be a 2? Well, 2 plus 2 is 4, then you need a 12. So this can't even be a 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, and then you need another 10. So these are not 2, 3, 4. Now we know this must contain a 4. And now the question is, can this have an 8? So then you have 8 plus 4 is 12, plus another 2 is already over 13, so this is not an 8, so this must be an 8. And now we need this to be 16, so we need 8 more. And by the way, this is now a 3, 9, 3, 9. So we know this is not a 9, and these are not 3, 9. So we have 8 more, and that's exactly 2 with 6. So this is a 0, this is a 1, these are not 6, this is 2 and 9. These are not 2, 6. Alright, 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 alright. Yeah, and now we have, this is 1, 4, 5. This is now 3, 5, 6. And 3 must be together with an 8. 5, 6 are both not possible because of this 5, 6, 9. So this is a 3 and this is an 8, and these are not 3. This is 9, this is 3. This can be 8, but it can't be. So this can't be 1. So this must be from 4, 5, but the 4 in here makes this a 5, and this a 4, and this a 5, and this a 1. This is a 6, 4, 8, 4, not 5. This is 1, 5, 6, 8, 3, 4, like this. This is from 0, 1, 9, this is from 0, 9, 3, and 2. This is from 1, 2, and this is from 3, 4, 0. This is 8, 9, and this is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This can't be 9, of course. Bum, 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 bum. Oh wait, this is not 7, by the way. This is 0. Good, good, good. Do you like this version so far? let me see. So this 32, yeah, I understand the free cage is too easy, but it's also not giving away the breaking. So it's, yeah, you can fill in the 0, 1, 2 right away. It's just wait a sec. So wait. 23, 15, 7, 6 and 4. Okay. So let's see. So I'm going to skip now a lot of the, so we know this is a 4, 8, and this is 8, 9. This is still a 3, 4. This is still like that. And we know this couldn't be a 0, right? Yes. So this 0, this is a 1. That's a 0. And what was it again? Yeah, this is from 5, 6, 8, 9. Oh yeah, this was from 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. So this has a 0 and a 6 on it. So that's 6, so 9. So that's 8. So that's 9. This was 5, 6, 9. This was 0, 2, 3. This is not 3. This is not 0, so it's also not 6. So this is 2, 5 and 1. This is not 8. This can't have an 8 on it because of this. This can't have a 4 on it. This can't have a 4 on it, so this has a 4 on it. The 4 can't have an 8 on it, because then we will overflow the 13, so this is now an 8. And this must be a 6 and a 2 and a 0 and a 1. So this is 3, 4, 5, and this is 2 and 9. So this is a 2 and that's a 9. This is not 4, 8. So this is not 3, 9. This is not a 6. This is 1, 4, 5. This is not 1. This is not 8, so it's 4, 5. But it is a 5 actually. So this is 4. This is a 5. This is a 1. 8, 4. This is 3, 6, and 5. This can't be 5, 6 because of this 5, 6. So this is a 3 and that's an 8 and that's a 6 and that's a 5 and that's a 9 and that's a 3. And this is not an 8. This is 8, 9 and this is 2, 6 and 0. This is 1, this is 5, this is 3, this is 4, this is 2. These are not 2. This is 0, these are not 0, and these are from, well, the 8 is here, and this is from 4, 6. This is 6, 8, 9. This is 1 and 2. This is 3, 4 and 0. This is 0, 9, 3 and 2. And this is 0, 9 and 1. This can't be 9 obviously because of the 7 cage. Okay, this 23 in 6. In 6. So that's minimum 15, so that's not telling that much. This is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, not a 2. This 6 is from 0, 6, 1, 5 or 2, 4. Oh wait, not 0, 6 of course. So if this is a 1, 5, then this is a 0, 4. If this is a 2, 4. Yeah, so we have a 1, 4 virtual pair. Wow. Okay. Do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Oh, wait, the 0 is... okay, never mind. This must be pretty high. If this is a 2, then this is 13. And this can't be 6, 7. It can't be 5, 8 because of this 5, 8. Wait a sec, what is 5, 9? 1, 5, 9. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so what is the minimum here? If this is a 2, then this is 4, 9. So this is from 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And this is not 5, 8. Let's see. This gauge we have in the category of digits not in. We have the magic number was 38. So we have 15 in free cells. Well, that's rather unfortunate. Okay, never mind. Okay, that's not it. So how are we going to finish this? How are we going to finish this? This can't be 3, 4. Just noticing. But yeah. Do we have here a 6, 8, 9 virtual triple? If we don't have a 6, 8, 9 in here, it's a 4 and a 5, and that's way too low. So there must be a 6, 8 or a 9 on it. So that means this is not a 6. So there's a 6, 8, 9 on here. Can this be a 6? If there's a 6 on here, together with the highest is a 5, so 6 plus 5 is 11. No, so this is also not a 6, so that means we have now an 8, 9 virtual pair. So this is a 6 and these are not 6. So there is a 4, 5 on here. There's a 3, 4, 5 on here. There's a 3 or 4 in here. So we have a virtual 3, 4, 5 triple. So this is from 0, 1, 2. Let's see what placing 1 is giving a contradiction. So if this is a 1, then you must have 6 in here. Wait, if this is 1, then this is 2, this is 1. Oh, then this is 1. Wow. And then this is 3, and then we need a 12 here. Wow, that's evil. So this must be a 0. And what is the computer saying? Causing a contradiction, unable to place 9 different values in row 6. Okay, whatever. So this is so the 1. So wait a sec. Maybe we can do it differently. The 1 is restricted. We can't put it here. We can't put it here. We can put it here together with a 6, and then this is a 0. So the 1 is in one of those. Can the 1 be here? This is 2, this is 1, this is a 0. But either way, so the 1 can only be in those places, but if the 1 is here, then this is a 2 and this is 1 and this is a 0. If the 1 is here, this is a 0. So this is a 0 always. And that, oh, will change the world. The ones are done. Okay, we know now this must be a 6. Are you still there, Asaya? We have now a 0 to bear. Yeah, the 2 cannot be in here. It can't be in here because this is way too low. So the 2 must be there. And we already said this would be a 6 because of earlier logic, which I... Oh wait, am I now... Oh my, I am solving in the wrong one. I should delete this one. I'm solving in the wrong one. Oh my. Okay, yeah, we said where does the 1 go? Well, luckily it's still the same logic. The 1 is either in this cage or in this cage. If it's in this case, this is a 0. If it's in this cage, this is a 2, this is a 1, and this is a 0. So either way, this is a 0. So this is a 6, this is a 9, this is a 0, 1, 2, 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 6, 0, 4, 0, 1, 1, 4. Those are not 2. This is not 2. This is a 6. So this is a 0 and this is a 6. This now can only be, well, the 2, 4. So this is a 1, 3. So this is a 3. That's a 1. That's a 3. That's a 2. That's a 5. That's a 1. This is not a 6. This is not a 6. This is not a 3. This is not a 4. This is a 3 or 5. This is now 14, which can only be 9 and 5. So that will solve a lot as well. 9, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 8, 9, 5, 4, 3, 8, 9. This is now 6 plus 9 is 15, so this must be an 8. 5, 0, 2, and 4. Yay! Okay, I think so. I will put this in chat as well. I think this one is pretty valid. So my question, can I use the break-in logic for my book puzzle, and then I will credit you, of course, but I will make it an easier puzzle for the book, of course, and I will not use the 0 to 9 logic. I will only use digits from 1 to 9. So my question is, can I use that break-in logic for my book? Yes or no? And no is of course a valid answer. If you want to keep it yourself, that's perfectly fine by me. Oh yeah, by the way, what I'm going to do... Oh, you stole the break-in from Pietato. Well, then I should ask him and not you. Okay. Yeah, I will think about it then. So, do you have the original from Pietato? Then I can look at that to see, like, okay, yeah, I don't want to steal stuff from others. Basically, that's not what I want. That's not what I pretend to be. So yeah, I think this is it right now. So please like and subscribe. And next week I will be doing The Witness. So yeah. You got inspiration. Well, I got inspiration as well, so I might use that inspiration to, yeah. That's how the puzzle community goes, right? I just don't want to steal stuff. But yeah, I like this kind of, yeah, it's a set break-in, but yeah, it's not only set. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Asaya, for keeping the stream alive. And hope to see you next time. Bye bye.